Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in today. It's Wheelock Alarms here, and today we're going to take a look at the fire alarm system. So here we are out in the main basement area. This is the Simplex True Alert horn strobe, and beside it you can see that the security system siren has been removed and just a regular battery powered smoke detector has been installed. And coming down here we have a manually activated pull station. You just touch these wires together and it goes into alarm. No, seriously folks. As you can see, most of the items here have been removed, and I'm about to take down this True Alert. In fact, I'm about to take down the entire fire alarm system. In fact, while we're at it, let's just walk over here and show you that basically this whole basement's empty. I did end up buying a home, and I have moved quite a bit of my stuff out of here. There's still some of my stuff here. And the basement area here was kind of like my little hangout area. So a lot of the stuff, including the couch and furniture and whatnot, came with me when I moved. Right now, as you can see, we just kind of have some boxes and parts stored here. But moving into the laundry room here, which this is a mess. I'm actually in the process of cleaning this up. The 4004 is still here. As you can see though, it's powered off. And the traffic signals are gone. The license plates and stuff are gone. And as I said, I'm about to take all this stuff related to the fire alarm system down. And eventually the layout table here is going to be dismantled and removed from here. And this will allow my father to have space to, do whatever he pleases with this area. I do not live here anymore. This is his house, and I want to try to get this stuff cleaned out of here as soon as possible for him. I'm going to speak with him. He should be getting home here shortly about the wood paneling. See maybe if we can somehow get some replacement paneling for him. As you can see, there is holes all through it, and it's pretty much ruined. Looking at it here, but anyways, I'm going to go ahead and stop recording here. I'm going to take this electrical panel out, the fire alarm system out. The only thing that will be left, will be the regular outlet and the regular light switch. The rest of the stuff is coming out. So, just wanted to give you folks an update. As I said, I did buy a home. This system is coming down, and a new system hopefully will be put up at my new home here soon. So, thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more updates to come.